Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson, the proposal. In our previous session, we came to know that there was bitter quarrel between Lomo and Chubuko, and after that, Natalia and Chubuko together they forced Lomo to leave their house. Lomo left the house. After that, Natalia came to know that Lomo came to their house to make proposal. Hearing that, she started to wail and she asked her father to bring back Lomo. Lomo was going back and Chubuko went to call him. And after that, Chubuko came inside. He said, Lomo is coming inside. And all those things occurred because of Natalia. In return, Natalia said, no, all these things occurred because of you. Now, let's continue the lesson. Chubuko, I tell you, it's not my fault. Lomo appears at the door. No, you talk to him yourself. Once again, Chubuko said, I tell you, it's not my fault. At that time, Lomo appears at the door. Now, you talk to him yourself. Exit. Chubuko tells to Natalia, you talk to Lomo yourself. Telling this, he leaves that place. Lomo enters exhausted. Lomo enters inside. He is exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. My heart's palpitating painfully. My pulse gone to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side. And he says, my heart's palpitating painfully. My heart is palpitating painfully, terribly. My pulse gone to sleep. My pulse gone to sleep. It is becoming numb. There is something that keeps pulling my side. Something is pulling my side. Natalia, forgive us, Ivan Vasilovich. We were all a little heated. I remember now, Oxon Meadows really are yours. Here. Then Natalia says, forgive us, Ivan Vasilovich. We were all a little heated. We had a little heated argument. I remember now. Now I remember Oxon Meadows really are yours. Oxon Meadows are yours. Lomo, my heart's beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. Then again he talks about his physical problem. My heart's beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. They were doing involuntary movement. Eyebrows were making involuntary movement. They were jerking. Natalia, the meadows are yours, as yours. Do sit down. They sit. We were wrong. Once again, Natalia says, meadows are yours. And she tells him to sit down. We were wrong. I and my father were wrong. Actually, Oxon Meadows belong to you. Natalia, Lomo, I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle. Then he said, I did it on principle. Principle means the belief. I did it on my belief. My land is worth little to me. The economical value of that land is very little to me. But the principal, I quarreled with you because I am a man of principle. I am not ready to accept that land belonged to you. Natalia, yes, the principal, just so. Now let's talk of something else. Yeah, you are a man of principle. Then Natalia says, now let us talk of something else. Let us leave that matter. Let us leave the matter of Oxon Meadows. Now let us talk of something else. Here Natalia is trying to divert the mind of Lomo. Lomo. The more so as I have evidence, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's peasants. Again, Lomo was telling the same thing. Still, he is trying to prove that Oxon Meadows belonged to him. He said, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's peasants. Again, same thing he told. Natalia, yes, let that pass aside. I wish I knew how to get him started. Aloud, are you going to start shooting soon? Natalia says, yes, let that pass. Let us stop talking about that matter. And aside, in the mind only, she thinks, I wish I knew how to get him started. I know how to change his mind, how to make him to talk about different matter. Aloud, in a loud voice, she says, are you going to start shooting soon? Are you going to start shooting soon means, are you going to for hunting? Lomo, I am thinking of having a go at the black cock, honored Natalia Stepanova, after the harvest. Then Lomo says, I am thinking of going at the black cock in order to hunt the black cock. Black cock means bird, a kind of bird. After the harvest, I am planning to go to hunt black cocks. Okay. Oh, have you heard? Just think what a misfortune I have had. My dog Guess, who you know has gone lame. But there is an unfortunate means bad luck. Bad luck for me that my dog Guess, name of the dog is Guess. My dog Guess, who you know has gone lame. He became lame. Lame means unable to walk due to some injury. Okay. He became lame. Natalia, what a pity. Why? Oh, it is very sad matter. What happened to him? Then Lomo, I don't know, must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. Then Lomo said, I don't know what happened exactly. Probably his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. My very best dog, to say nothing of expense. I gave Mironova 125 rubles for him. Guess is my best dog, and I purchased this dog from Mironova for 125 rubles. Like this he said. Natalia, it was too much, Ivan Vasilevich. Did you pay 125 rubles? It was too much, she said. Lomo, I think it was very cheap. He is a first-rate dog. Then Lomo said, I think that price was very cheap because he is first-rate dog. He is best quality dog. Natalia, Papa gave 25 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is heaps better than gas. Then she talked about her dog or her father dog. Papa gave 25 rubles for his squeezer. Squeezer means dog, name of the dog. Natalia's father's dog means Chubuko's dog. The squeezer is heap better than gas. And also she says squeezer is heaps better means much better than gas. My dog is better than your dog. Like this Natalia says. Lomo, squeezer better than gas? What an idea. Laughs. Squeezer better than gas? Hearing this, Lomo, he asked her, squeezer is better than gas? What an idea. He laughs and again he says the same thing. Squeezer better than gas? Natalia, of course. He is better. Of course. Squeezer is young. He may develop a bit, but on point and pedigree, he is better than anything that even Olchanetsky has got. And Natalia says, of course, he is better. Because squeezer is young, he may develop a bit. In future, he may develop even more. But on the points and pedigree, here points means merits or qualities. But if you look at qualities and pedigree means the record of descent of an animal. If you look at his race or breed, if you look at his merits means points, and if you look at his pedigree, he is better than anything that even Volchanetsky has got. Okay, he is better than Volchanetsky's dog. Okay, she is trying to tell that her dog is better than Squeezer's dog, Lomo's dog, as well as Volchanetsky dog. Volchanetsky, probably another person. Her dog is better than Volchanetsky's dog. Lomo, excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, but you forget that he is overshot, and an overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. Then Lomo said, excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, but you forget that he is overshot. Your dog is overshot. What do you mean by overshot? Lower jaw is shorter than the upper. Your dog's lower jaw is shorter than upper jaw. Like this, he said. And an overshot always means dog is a bad hunter, and overshot dog is a bad hunter. It is not good at hunting. Natalia, overshot? Is he? The first time I hear it. Is my dog overshot? For the first time I am hearing this. Lomo, I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. Then Lomo said, I assure that His lower jaw, your squeezer's lower jaw is shorter than the upper jaw. Natalia, have you measured and have you measured that one? Lomo, yes. He is alright at following, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything, yeah, of course, your dog is good at chasing the other animals, but not good at holding them, not good at catching those animals. Natalia, in the first place, our squeezer is thoroughbred animal, the son of harness and chisel. While there is no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all, he is old and as ugly as a worn out cab horse. Then Natalia said, in the first place, our squeezer is thoroughbred animal. He belong to very good race or breed. The son of harness and chisel. He is son of harness and chisel. Here harness and chisels, they are parents of squeezer. While there is no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all, but nobody knows about the pedigree of your dog. He is old and your dog is old and as ugly as a worn out cab horse, and your dog is as ugly as a worn out cab horse. Worn out cab horse means tired and weak horse. Like this, Natalia said to Lomo. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.